Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussion is chemistry titration. This is very important. Titration is an analytical method primarily used in estimating the concentration of an unknown analyte solution using a standard solution whose concentration is known. And what is standard solution? A solution whose concentration is known as a standard solution. What is volumetric analysis? The principle of volumetric analysis is to determine the concentration of an unknown analyte solution using standard solution whose concentration is known. Problem. Titration problem. A 25 ml solution of 0.5 NaOH is titrated until neutralized into a 50 ml sample of HCl. What was the concentration of the HCl? So friends, you have to know this formula: M acid, V acid, M base, V base. So where M acid equals to concentration of acid and M base, MV acid is volume of the acid, M base is concentration of the base, and V base is volume of the base. Now in this case you see NaOH is a base and HCl is acid. This is acid base titration. Acid base titration 1:1. Molarity. So friends, in here you see that M acid equals to M acid. I have to find out, so I write M acid, and V acid is also already given. V acid is 0.5 50 ml, so it is 0.5 it is 0.5, and M base, in here it is 50 ml, okay, and M base and V base. So I can write M acid into 50 ml equals to M base, means 0.5 m, and V base is 25 ml. This is the acid base reaction titration ratio between acid by base equals to 1:1. So M acid equals to 0.5 into 25 divided by 50 equals to 0.25 mole. Thanks for watching.